Hi guys, Tactical Nurse Mike here. Today with a product that I think is pretty awesome. I've been waiting a while for this thing to come out. It is the Geissele reaction block. You guys probably used the reaction rods before in the past for putting barrels on AR-15 uppers. Great tool, great product. Again, this is another great product from Geissele. We're going to take a look at it here and see just what it can do. The reaction block is designed to help assisting building or assembling an AR-15 lower receiver. Some of the great things, and in fact the one reason that I bought it for, was being able to attach the castle nut onto the lower receiver. You know, it's really supposed to be torqued on there with anywhere from 40 to 42 foot-pounds of torque, and right now there's really no tool out there that can do that. Until now, the Geissele reaction block. So we're going to go ahead and mount this thing up in a vise, show you how it works, show you what you can do with it. The block itself has 3 nylon screws to it, just tightened down with a simple hex head. And they tell you if something happens to one of these screws not to replace it with a metal screw. Give them a call and they will gladly send you out some replacement screws that you can use this, get it back and working again. Here's the block mounted in a vise, and I'm going to show you guys how you're going to slide your receiver extension into it and how to tighten it down and make it work. So you're going to take your receiver extension, and it can go into here at any of 4 ways. You could slide it in with the holes in the bottom going that way, going up, going back, and going down. So we're going to go ahead and slide this in here. Grab our hex head wrench, tighten this down. Now we are able to do any type of work onto our lower receiver, getting in here, installing triggers. Everything is held firmly in place. If the Geissele reaction block was going to be used to construct a new build, my suggestion for using this would be to go ahead and assemble everything on the lower as it's going to be, as you normally would. You're going to want to take your wrench, get that set up in there. Then you're going to want to take your receiver extension, slide it into the Geissele tool, go ahead and tighten it down. And from here you can adjust your tool to tighten down on this. You can put your torque wrench on, get the proper torque, and the other great thing is you can actually now dimple the receiver end plate there so you can have a good captured castle nut to make sure it's not going to back off. Definitely something, you know, a lot of higher quality manufacturers do is they stake that castle nut, something you should be doing. This tool now gives you the possibilities to torque this down to the perfect 40 foot-pounds of torque. One thing I'd like to point out with the Geissele reaction block, it is designed for mil-spec receiver extensions. Do not try to go ahead and put a commercial receiver extension in there. They're a little bit larger. They're not going to fit. This is a tight fit as it is right now with the mil-spec receiver extension. But it's a great tool. Retails right now for $99. You can get it at geissele.com. If you like putting AR-15s together, you like doing it as a hobby, or you want to switch some stocks around, some buffer tubes, this is a great tool. You will not regret spending the $99 to get this. Something I've been longing for quite a while.